Ba Fisheries Protection Unit Kasese bakomezza abazze bavuba nga bazimuula amateeka. Bokezo obutimba, amaato n'ebirala ebiwoza shillings obukadde 10 ekitagwenda. Bizze bikwatibwa ku Kazinga Channel ku nnyanja George mu myezi 5 egiyise okusinziira ku Lieutenant Bob Oduchu aduumira ebikwekweto ku Lake George.
We are yet to dispose of the impounded illegal fishing gears by banning. These ones here, they are worth 1,115,992,000 shillings. You can imagine that figure how our people they are investing their money wrongly.
Ebintu ebi tubikorektingire omunyanja turwanisa obujura kandi tubikorektingire kumara obwire bw'amezi 5 urwo kwezi kwa kukubanza kutya okwezi kwa katano enshohe kitwasa gigumamo aho ko kitakwasa gigumiramo twentugezaho kugirwanisa ngo erigiyo cyo kiro kureba bastira hanyanja.
Major Frank Kanzira azemu okulabula abavubi nti ebintu bye babagaana bibaddamu okugula era tebajja kukoma kubyocha.
We appeal, we as the FPU, we as enforcers, we appeal to the fishing community, we appeal to the fishing community to comply with what we tell them. We as enforcers, what we tell them to comply using good fishing methods, using good fishing practices. And we appeal to the public fishing communities or local leaders to work hand in hand or support us in fighting these illegal fishing methods.
Ebyennyanja byeyongedde mu mazzi kebongeze ebikwekweto.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.